All right, today I have a Maserati Grecale, and I'm going to show you how to fold in the side view mirrors as well as how to operate the side view mirrors to make adjustments. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside the Maserati Grecale. In order to fold in the side view mirrors as well as how to operate these side view mirrors to adjust them so you can see around the vehicle, what you'll do is look to the side right here. And you see the side? This right here, this knob right here is how you control it. And I'll get in closer so you can see it. So if you look at it, there is a 0, and there's a right, and then there's a left. Right, left. Now, if I want to adjust the side view mirror on the left side, I'll switch it, go right here, so it's lined up with the L. And once I do that, I'll take this knob right here, it's just like a joystick, and I can move it up, down, left, right, A, B, select, start, okay? So I can move that, okay? And if you look on here, it adjusts right here. You see it's adjusting as I move it, and you can adjust it to how you want it. Now, if I want to do the right side or the passenger side, I'll simply take this, go to R, and do the exact same thing, and it operates that side right there. Okay, so I moved it to the R. Let me show you. Move it to R, and now I can adjust it. And when I'm done, I just simply put it back to the center where the 0 is, and that's neutral, to where I can, even if I move it, it's not changing anything. Now, to fold in the side view mirrors, you have the one right here and right here. You simply go right here, and you take this. You see I went to L. I went to L, and I twisted it all the way back, like here. Did you see that? I twisted it all the way back, and the side view mirrors folded. Now, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna put it back to the center, and then I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna turn it. Now look at that. It folded just like that. Now when I want to put it back to where it is, I'm gonna just take my finger and put it back to either L or 0, and it goes back into place just like that. Do you see that? Now, if you want to spin it the other way, guess what happens? I'll spin it all the way right there, and it does the exact same thing. It folds on both sides. And when I want to open it up again, just put it back to center, R or center, it opens up just like that. And that's how you operate the side view mirrors, as well as how you fold in and out the side view mirrors on this Maserati Grecale. Oh, this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.